put all my gear on, then we'll start that one. Get you started, and then I'll catch up to you.
Gotcha.
And then I think a cool thing to do, you do double slaloms, you know, go around 2, and then see if you can't get it down to doing tighter and tighter slaloms around these.
Oh yeah.
As a way of just practicing your control of the bike.
Is there a specific way you go around?
Anyway, anything you want. Literally just using them as some kind of reference to go around.
Yeah.
Instead of making a turn the size of the field, you know, going through that one and then back around maybe the second, going past 2 and back through, and then around all those 4 and back, and then eventually working up to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
You know, if you want, if it feels good. Or just riding around. I'm just going to follow you. You do whatever feels good, but that's just, it's a good practice to have. Eventually, we're going to be driving on roads where you're going to go and you're going to make a 90-degree turn.
Yeah.
And you need to be able to slow down enough, but not fall over, and still make that turn. Oh, the beast. I'm moving it to the best optimum point where I get the most stroke. It's probably cold enough, I gotta warm it back up again. Put the choke on. Gotta sit for a minute. She's ready now. Okay, do you want to get on with it in gear, or you want to put it in gear after you're on it?
I'll get it in gear.
Okay, you just got to remember, don't give it any gas or it'll go.
Okay.
All right? Hand on the clutch at all times. It's your brake. You ready? Go. All right, let's go film one. Riding a dirt bike. Woohoo! I think I got it a little lean. Sitting. is. We'll get some speed information from my watch. brake is in second, so it's only going to go so fast. We haven't learned to shift yet. Tight turn. Sweet. What you want to do? I'll try to catch it this time. Close.
Yeah, I feel like I'm just too short to get my feet down.
Yeah, and there is a solution, but your brain is so hard to remember.
Yeah.
You have to basically slide your leg as you're riding. You have to slide your leg to there.
Yeah.
Right? You can still ride. Maybe you can try next time you ride. On the next ride, you can try riding while you're riding. Actually, riding the bike like that.
Yeah.
While you're riding, even more.
I'm coming in slower.
And then you stop, and then you're already low enough, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You'll never reach it from here, but if your leg is already off like that,
Yeah.
then you got all this. This is your pivot. You don't even have to stretch your leg higher. You just pivot.
Yeah.
But anyway, cool. You making some good turns there, some good tight ones. That was good. Need a rest?
Yeah, I'm feeling it in my hands again.
Okay, all right. We'll take a little break and just relax, and we'll go on another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you took some real good turns. As you learn more, the key to going into a turn on the way in, right, is you brake on the way in and you accelerate on the way out,
Yeah.
like any racing. Let me turn this off.